We're gonna try pomegranate with different things. So we're gonna try the laughing cow. Ay, isa pala. Ano to? Tahin.
Yeah.
We have the pistachio nut butter and honey.
Yeah.
We'll try it with white chocolate. And put it on yours. No, one by one. Here's
No, but like the movies like at 6:15, but like there's video and screening, so it's like 6:45.
it's good.
The movies an hour.
Creamy pomegranate
That's
yun.
it, like the already.
And then this time we're gonna put
White chocolate.
white chocolate. Cheers.
From you?
I like it. And put some honey.
Of Madonna.
Oh wait.
Mmm.
I like that one.
That's good. You like it? Cheers. Mmm. Mmm. That's really good. Try tahin, the last one.
I don't.
Cheers. Tahin.
Ayoko.
That's so sour.
Did you eat it? Rate. Let's rate this one first. Out of 10.
So the cheese,
A 6.
that's a 6 for you. That's a 5.5. Are they 5.5?
I like this one.
The white chocolate, I liked it. 7.
Yeah, me too.
The honey,
A 9.
I like it. It's a 9.
That's really good.
So the
This one's
pistachio
10. I
butter,
really like that one.
yeah, that's a 10 out of 10. And
This
then
one is
tahin, I like it. It's a
I like
9
it at all.
out of 10.
It's like a 0.
It's negative too.
That's all that I like.
Whatever you wanna do, girl. Pistachio. Mm. Uy, maubos na. Sarap.
Sarap. Pistachio. Pero ang tamis.